Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any document or any book from EPUB format to another format which you want. To begin, we will download the software available online, and by opening our browser we'll type Calibre and we will hit enter. As soon as you see the website called calibre-ebook.com, click on it. Click on download Calibre. And here we're going to choose which version we want. There is the one for Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, etc. So choose the one which suits you the most. Once you have completed the installation, just click to open the software and then drag your document or your book to it. If you don't know which format it is, you don't need really to worry because the system will automatically detect the formatting for you. Right click and select Convert Books, Convert Individually. And here we're going to select the output format on the right. So choose the format which suits you the most. For me, I will select TXT. And here the input format, you cannot change it as it's automatically detected. You can rename, put a title, put the author. You can just put it as a text and we will hit OK. On the right, in the bottom, you will see jobs being done. You can click on it and here it shows as finished. You can go ahead and close it. Right click and select Save to Disk, Save to Disk in a single folder. And we're going to select which folder we want to have it saved in. Select folder. As you can see, a TXT document has been added, which contains our book data. You can convert to any format which you wish. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.